Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about this 4-inch mini chainsaw. I'm going to tell you why I bought it, and we're going to do a couple tests with it, take it out my property, cut some branches. Now I'm going to tell you why I bought this. I have the Bauer cordless chainsaw. I have the Atlas 80-volt chainsaw, which I haven't tested yet on my channel, but we will. I also got two pretty big gas stills. One with a 36-inch bar on it. So those are some real, I've cut some really big trees on this property from storms. So the reason why I bought this is I have a lot of small cutting to do, some trimming, pruning, and I was using this. I was using, of course, you're all familiar with this, the reciprocating saws, right? Coming Bauer, Hercules, and many other brands. And what I was having issues with this is that these blades go back and forth, right? So when you get out away from the branch, not by the trunk, it will shake that branch. So even though you hold it really tight, it's really hard to get that totally still, so it doesn't cut as fast. So that's why I try one of these. Now this is a no-name brand. No, it's not a Bauer. It's pretty close to the Bauer color, right? But it's not a Bauer. I don't even know what brand it is. You go on Amazon, there's tons of them, different brands. And this one I paid $24 for. Came with the one battery and a charger. The battery is actually real light on this. I'm so used to the other batteries, Hercules and Bauer. They're a little more, they're heavier, but now it seems pretty good. I have not sharpened the blade on this either. I use it quite a bit, and it's pretty easy the tension on the blade is pretty easy to tighten. There's just one screw you turn there. And a thing that I wasn't used to is, like, if you operate a lot of these chainsaw type tools, oil, right? There's usually a little place to put the oil reservoir. There's not on these. I've been kind of squirting oil in here once in a while, but it kind of just makes a mess. So I've been kind of running it kind of dry, and it seems to be fine. It's just weird to me not putting oil in these things. And these chains are pretty well available for it. They're pretty standard 4-inch chain. Yeah, Hercules, DeWalt, or any of those do not make a tool like this. DeWalt, I was looking at, DeWalt makes a pruner that I almost bought, and that one's probably close to $100. But I didn't have any DeWalt batteries, so I could have got an adapter for the Hercules batteries or Bauer batteries. So I said, well, for $24, I'm gonna try this. And I've been really happy with it. I've had it for about 4 months now, and it does come with a charger. Nothing fancy, right? Just you plug it in there and just plug it in the wall. There's no light on it. There actually is a light on the charger. The red wrench needs to charge them. So we're gonna do I got a test here, and then we're gonna go take it out. It does come with a cover too, so you can store it. And I got a little branch here. This is actually just a piece of wood, a stick, nothing fast. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this. Make sure I got my camera lined up. Yep. Okay, let's make a couple more cuts with it outside. And here we're going to demonstrate the tool. I got a few pine trees on my property. I'm just going to cut this branch down. And what's nice about this tool is I don't need the camera and tripod. This is a one-handed tool. We're just going to cut this branch off about maybe 6.5 feet up. Okay, nice clean cut. And then we're gonna try cut another branch. Okay, so this branch, I'm gonna cut a little farther out. And what's tough, reciprocating saws, of course we've all used those for cutting branches, right? Reciprocating saws, it's a really hard time because that reciprocating saw goes back and forth. and so it shakes the branch. It's really hard to get that branch stable with that reciprocating saw. That's why I like this. It doesn't shake the branch back and forth. It goes one way. It's gonna. I see it's pretty smooth. That branch is not shaking at all. There we go. So if you're doing trimming like this, way better than a reciprocating saw, because you know, I mean, a reciprocating saw, when you cut this, it's going to shake back and forth, and it has a, you know, it gets jammed. It has a really hard time cutting. That's how I like this. Great tool. And there you have it, the 4-inch mini chainsaw, no name brand. There is not even anything on here. It says what brand it is. So if you like what you're seeing on my channel, like and subscribe. If you have, I'd like to hear what you're using these little things for. If you have one like it, or if you're using a Bauer, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.